We gotta take this little toy over to Pop's house, keeping it over at my house, but I'm pretty sure y'all gonna love it. It's another OBS. It's in a lot better shape than mine, and she's sitting pretty, man. Sitting pretty. Woo! Pop's doing it with ease, man, with ease. I'll be there soon, though. I'll be there soon. But yeah, this her, man. We about to take her over to Pop's crib. Little bit, 44. Got a long way to go. Long way to go. Appreciate it, man. 88. Okay, this is actually my Pop's truck. I got a 92.
Hey, keep it forever, man.
Yes, sir. It ain't going nowhere.
Keep the truck, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. No, sir. No, these big old rims.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
It's like 11 o'clock. It's already hot as hell, bro. Damn, it's hot. Anyway, man, I've been a little sick, a little under the weather. I'm trying to bring y'all some content, so I couldn't really go to the car meets this weekend. I don't know if you can really hear it in my voice. Still not 100%. But my pops bought me a system, some subs for my OBS. And hopefully today it'll slide through and we can install it, because that ain't really my area of expertise. He's been doing that since, shoot, I was in diapers. But so yeah, man, hopefully we get some knock in the truck. Yeah, man, so try to show y'all this install and the unboxing. Hope y'all like it. Here we go.
Oh no, back roll.
A little recap on the truck, on the OBS. We had got the system completely installed. It was a no-go due to me being kind of tall, and I had to push my seat all the way back. The subs are completely right behind the seat, so I had to push my seat all the way back, and in order for that to happen, the subs were in the way. They weren't knocking. You push the seat up, they start knocking. So that's just trial and error, but hey, back to the drawing board. Nothing wrong with it. We'll get some knocking there, trust me. Trust me, we're gonna get some knocking there. But that's the recap, man. But the family came through. We're outside in the pool. And honestly, seeing my little cousin smile, you know, in the pool and have a blast all day, that was probably the best part of the day, because at least somebody got some happiness out of the day. I see you in there. Christy! Say what up, man. What up? What up? Nice little family day in the pool while we install the system in the truck. But cool.